departing from each other in response to the greatest call is natural. But the departure of a patriot, full of wisdom, humility, kindness, and really is very, very painful. But as we always say, when such a painful departure occurs, we cannot question God. He knows best. The painful loss of our brother, Christian Atsu, has undoubtedly created an indelible imprint on the minds and the hearts of compatriots, teammates, friends, families, and the nation. The government and Ghanaians in general will continue to remember Christian Atsu as one of the committed, dedicated, and result-oriented youth and a football star of our time. Atsu demonstrated the capacity to fully achieve his potential in his profession. His interest for developing and utilizing his talent for the Ghanaian people and beyond will forever remain a reference point. Throughout his career, Atsu interacted with well-meaning Ghanaians and international partners at both personal and professional level. His first close interaction with the Ministry of Youth and Sports was his first call-up to the Black Stars in 2012. His stellar performance with the Black Stars right from his debut match against Lesotho on the 1st June 2012 at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium in Kumasi endeared him to many Ghanaians. As a new Black Star was born that day, no doubt. As one of the youngest players of the team, with much expectation from Ghanaians, he exhibited beyond the talent and skill known to many. When he scored a 5th goal in the Black Stars' 7 goals thrashing of Lesotho, indeed, the BBC described him as an excellent prospect, quick and technically impressive player with high potential in the national team. Atsu continued to serve Ghana through the Black Stars in many assignments, including the African Cup of Nations in South Africa in 2013, Equatorial Guinea in 2015, Gabon in 2017, and in Egypt in 2019. He also represented Ghana at the 2014 FIFA World Cup in Brazil. His most memorable performance with the Black Stars was in 2015 AFCON in Equatorial Guinea, where he won the Player of the Tournament after his excellent performance helped the Black Stars to reach the grand finale. In all the ministry interaction with the Black Stars, Atsu always displayed calmness, an attribute his mate has attested to. His acclaimed humane nature, friendliness, love for people, commitment to Mother Ghana, and the team spirit were exceptional and deserve emulation. Even at the peak of his career, Atsu remained himself and was never overtaken by pride, arrogance, and indiscipline. On the occasion of mourning our son, brother, and colleague, we believe that Christian Atsu has graciously paid his dues to Mother Ghana, and memories of his commitment and contribution to our national team, the Black Stars, will forever remain in the minds of both present and future generations. His legacy will remain as inspiration for the Black Stars, the football fraternity, and in general, the youth of our country, Ghana. We pray that our brother, our son, our Black Star find the best place with the Lord. May his soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, the Minister for Youth and Sports. The police band